If you're trying to update PHP on Hostinger, this quick guide will walk you through the exact steps so you can switch to the latest version safely and confidently. Updating PHP can help improve your website's performance, security, and compatibility with plugins or themes, so it's definitely worth keeping current. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple website and hosting tutorials. Let's jump in. First, log into your Hostinger account. Once you're inside, head over to the website section, then click Dashboard for the website you want to update. If you manage more than one site, make sure you select the correct one before moving forward. Next, look for the Advanced option and click on it, then choose PHP Configuration. This is where Hostinger lets you manage the PHP settings for your hosting environment. On the PHP configuration page, you'll see a section called PHP version. Click into that area so you can view the available versions. Hostinger usually shows several options, and you want to select the latest stable version available, such as PHP 8.x, depending on what your website supports. Before updating, it's always a good idea to make sure your website, plugins, and theme are compatible with the newer PHP version. If you're running an older site, test carefully so nothing breaks unexpectedly. Once you've selected the version you want, go ahead and click Update. Hostinger will apply the change, and the new PHP version should be active shortly after. After that, give your website a quick refresh and check that everything is loading correctly. You may also want to visit your admin dashboard, forms, pages, and key site features to make sure everything is working as expected. If you notice any errors, you can always come back and choose a different PHP version if needed. That's all there is to it. You've now updated PHP on Hostinger in just a few steps. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy hosting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.